Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you ready for a journey into the unknown? No, we are not talking about traveling the world, we are talking about traveling the world of gadgets. Today, we're exploring 10 of the coolest tools that you never even knew existed. We're talking about gadgets that will make you feel like James Bond, MacGyver, and Tony Stark all rolled into one. From futuristic designs to innovative functionalities, these tools are guaranteed to spice up your life and help you accomplish tasks with ease. So be ready for a wild ride as we take a closer look at these cutting-edge creations. Let's go. Number 1. Drill Pump Kit, Quick Flow. The Drill Pump Kit, Quick Flow is a nifty little tool that can transform your standard power drill into a powerful pump. With this kit, you can easily transfer liquids such as water, oil, and gas from one container to another without any hassle. It's a versatile and handy tool that can come in handy in a variety of situations, from draining flooded basements to emptying swimming pools. One of the biggest benefits of the Drill Pump Kit, Quick Flow, is its convenience. It's a lightweight and compact tool that can be easily carried around and used wherever you need it. Plus, it's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for those who are not DIY savvy. Using this kit can also save you time and effort, especially when dealing with large volumes of liquid. No more lugging heavy containers around or using manual pumps. The Drill Pump Kit, Quick Flow, does the job quickly and efficiently. Number 2. The Eibenstock EDB 480.1. The Eibenstock EDB 480.1 is a robust and powerful portable sewing machine that is perfect for cutting through a variety of materials, including concrete, brick, and stone. Its powerful 3200-watt motor delivers fast and efficient cutting performance, allowing you to complete your cutting tasks quickly and easily. The sword and 2 durable counter-cutting saw blades that work together to provide highly accurate sewing results. This sewing machine is designed for use in the construction and renovation industries, making it ideal for professionals who require a reliable and high-performing tool for their work. The Eibenstock EDB 480.1 features a compact and lightweight design, weighing only 8.5 kilograms, making it easy to transport and maneuver on job sites. If you need a dependable and powerful sewing machine for your cutting needs, the Eibenstock EDB 480.1 is an excellent option to consider. Number 3. Quadsaw. The Quadsaw, the revolutionary square drill bit attachment that will transform the way you make electrical backbox holes. With its 6 interchangeable saw blades and speedy blade change feature, you can create a perfectly square hole in the plasterboard for single or double electrical backboxes in under 30 seconds. And with its built-in spirit level and inner pilot drill bit, you can maintain a level cut with ease. The Quadsaw is compatible with a variety of plasterboard types, including sound block, Habico, and fireboard, and has a maximum depth of 35 millimeters. Its lightweight and compact design, along with its sturdy carry case, makes it the perfect tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to uneven pad saw cuts and hello to the Quadsaw, the ultimate electrical socket cutter. Number 4. Olfa SK-16. Olfa SK-16 is a safety knife designed for efficient and safe cutting tasks. Its quick-change replaceable blade head makes it easy to switch between tasks, while limited blade exposure ensures that you are protected from cuts and lacerations. With openings on both sides, you can easily cut open boxes, while the protective tips keep whatever is underneath safe. The fiberglass reinforced handle ensures durability, while the premium stainless steel blade cuts over 7x more than competitive blades. Its flow-through cutting channel minimizes resistance, making it easy to use for extended periods of time. The metal tip also improves tape splitting, making it a versatile tool in any workplace or home. Compact and lightweight, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it a convenient tool for all your cutting needs. Number 5. DataPro. The game-changing tool for the deck is DataPro. Say goodbye to the frustration of visible screws and say hello to the hidden decking installation. With DataPro, building the deck of your dreams is just a few clicks away. This all-in-one package solution comes with the tool, spacers, and accessory bits, and you can choose from a range of outdoor or stainless steel screws to suit your project needs. Its easy-to-adjust feature caters to all common deck board widths, and it's robust and reliable, serving as your third hand when installing decking boards. The cylindrical head screws provide stable, non-wobbling installation, and the DataPro screws are equipped with 2 threads with different pitches, providing a strong clamping effect. DataPro works with board sizes from 85mm to 150mm and comes with a driver bit and spacers included. Number 6. Prestacycle TorqRatchet. The Prestacycle TorqRatchet is the ultimate tool for cyclists who want to keep their bits organized and within easy reach. With 12 of the most common bit sizes included, this compact and lightweight carry-along pocket ratchet is perfect for removing and installing all kinds of bolts and screws on your bike. The patented reversible thumb wheel ratchet head can withstand up to 16 Nm of the total force, making it the ideal tool for even the toughest bike maintenance tasks. The slimline 100mm extension can also be installed 50/50ths to use as a teat handle, giving you ultimate flexibility. Weighing only 88 grams and measuring 4.5 x 5/8 x 7/16, 119mm x 16mm x 12mm, this heavy-duty tool is perfect for protecting your tools and keeping your bits organized. With its weather-resistant case materials and impact protection, the Prestacycle TorqRatchet is a must-have for any cyclist who wants to stay prepared on the road. Number 7. The 3-Matum Hand Masker Arm. The 3-Matum Hand Masker Arm pre-assembled masking film kit is a must-have for every professional contractor or DIY enthusiast. It's an incredibly versatile tool that saves time and effort during painting, drywall texturing, wall finishing, and floor sanding. With the ability to apply painter's tape to masking film or paper in one continuous application, it's 4 to 5 times faster than the traditional paper/poly method. The M3000 dispenser is compact and lightweight with an easy grip handle, making it easy to use even for extended periods. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Just buy them to use, such as a 12 film blade, 1 roll of 1.5 2090 tape, and 1 roll of MF72 plus film. So, if you want to get the job done quickly and efficiently, the 3-Matum Hand Masker Arm pre-assembled masking film kit is the way to go. Number 8. Electric Drill Plate Cutter. Introducing the Electric Drill Plate Cutter, a versatile and practical tool for all your metal sheet cutting needs. Made of premium steel and iron, this double-headed metal sheet cutter is sharp and durable, ensuring precise cuts every time. With a positioning groove for accurate sizing, this plate punch shear is easy to use, saving you time and labor. It's compatible with most hand-electric drills, lithium-electric drills, and impact drills, making it a versatile addition to your toolbox. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and carry, allowing you to use it anywhere and anytime. Perfect for cutting aluminum, steel, iron, copper, and other alloy materials, the electric drill plate cutter is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional metalworker. Number 9. The DataPro Digital Measure Tape. The DataPro Digital Measure Tape is the ultimate measuring tool for accuracy and convenience. With its digital display and precise measurements, you'll never have to worry about measurement errors again. Designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this tape measure is packed with features like Bluetooth connectivity, converting measurements between imperial and metric units, and more. Measuring up to 25 feet with a blade width of 1.06 inches and a blade standout of approximately 9 feet, the DataPro tape measure is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its rechargeable LiPo battery lasts for over 30 hours of continuous usage, and the tape measure weighs just 17 ounces. Upgradable firmware and compatibility with Windows, iOS, and Android make it easy to use and versatile for any project. Get your hands on the DataPro Digital Measure Tape and take your measurements to the next level. Number 10. Terratrencher. Terratrencher is a powerful digging machine designed for heavy-duty excavation tasks. This cutting-edge equipment is specifically engineered to dig trenches in challenging soil conditions such as rocky terrain or frozen ground. With its advanced technology and robust construction, Terratrencher can tackle tough excavation jobs with ease and efficiency. The Terratrencher features a heavy-duty chain drive system that powers its digging chain, enabling it to cut through tough soil layers. Its strong system allows for precise control and efficient operation, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. As we come to the end of our video, it's amazing to think about all the incredible tools out there that can help simplify our lives. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us as we explored 10 of the coolest tools you ever knew existed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more amazing content like this.